Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a tutorial on the PartnerStack affiliate program. I'm going to be sharing everything you need to know on how to make money from PartnerStack. Affiliate marketing can be an incredible path to passive income, but only if executed correctly from the start. So without much further ado, let's get right into the video. As for PartnerStack itself, it consolidates various types of partnerships into one unified affiliate management platform. So within this platform, we've got the vendors, which are the popular SaaS brands, offer affiliate programs allowing publishers to earn commissions, driving trials and sales of their software. And also resellers, as you can become an authorized reseller of solutions like email marketing, accounting, e-commerce platforms, etc. And you can earn bigger margins by directly selling their tools under your own brand. There is also the niche course marketplaces and online communities which incentivize affiliates to help sell their educational products to receive a cut of revenue. I'll be focusing specifically on promoting the SaaS vendors in this video, but PartnerStack supports many partnership models between brands and online influencers. And you might run multiple types simultaneously, for example reviewing hot tools as an affiliate while also reselling partner platforms that you love at higher margins. But lead generation requires a different strategy than pure affiliate promotions. Now let's discuss some researching potential programs. Conducting affiliate program research within PartnerStack. So rather than randomly applying to programs, I recommend firstly researching to identify the best software niches based on program policies. You want to carefully review terms like commission rates or payment schedules, compliance rules, prohibited promotional tactics, etc. Your personal goals are very important as well, as you may want to consider reasonable income expectations over 3 to 6 months based on conversion benchmarks for the niche before investing effort. Trend analysis is also important. You can use tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers to assess the market search volumes and growth trajectories. And finally, of course, your content focus. So evaluate how naturally you can work affiliate promotions into existing site topics or channel content without forcing it. And this upfront partner research is crucial before pursuing approval and creating any promotional campaigns. It helps set realistic expectations while protecting your credibility and trust with audiences. So you don't want to come across just as another shady internet marketer pushing scams or overpromising unrealistic outcomes for whatever software that pays you the highest cut. So once we've researched the potential affiliate programs suiting the goals and audience, it's time to apply for approval. So go ahead onto the PartnerStack's massive marketplace covering thousands of software partners across all categories imaginable. I recommend applying for between 3 to 5 programs at once so you can split test which converts best later, instead of relying just on one at a time. And on each program's page, click apply to open the application form. You will need to showcase details such as your website and overall online presence, audience size metrics across channels, traffic analysis reports, any existing content showcasing the software category, your experience level with the product type if a user, and promotion tactics that you intend to use as an affiliate. So essentially painting the picture that you can actively drive high quality leads at sufficient volume for their sales team to make covering your commissions worthwhile. So if you have any hard stats that you want to share, this is the time to do that in order to indicate impressive reach and engagement from an established platform when applying. This will drastically improve your odds at getting accepted. And once you're accepted, you will receive an email confirmation and the program will shift from applied to approved status within your PartnerStack account dashboard. And this means that you can now access special tracking links as well as visual and text promo assets to start campaigns. And the next step is to put those links into action by driving conversions the right way. Once approved for programs, you can start incorporating your PartnerStack links into content using methods such as the relevant blog posts. You can publish detailed software tool reviews, comparisons, and best of roundups natively featuring your partners where relevant. Focus on extensive guides providing true value, avoid thin articles riddled only with affiliate links. Another great tool is YouTube software spotlights. Create video demos highlighting various software capabilities and behind the scenes company interviews. Don't forget about the social media value, as you can share affiliate links discreetly in bios and profiles. Post helpful software tips or growth experiments leveraging partners as an example. And finally, if you can afford it, targeted paid ads can go a long way. So you can run Google or Facebook campaigns focused on specific software keywords to attract high intent traffic actually searching for solutions at the exact moment. And this converts orders of magnitude higher than interrupting people with cold promotions. And that's really all about the overview on how you can get started with PartnerStack in order to join their affiliate program and start making money. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create related to this one.